Followers, I am back with another great project, Minerium 32. So Minerium32.com is the official website, and Minerium 32 is the rarest token in cryptocurrency world. Only 32 token supply. All great cryptocurrencies have something in common. They aim to contain their supply. Minerium 32 goes straight to the point. Only 32 tokens and no more. If you go to scroll down this page, you will see the total supply mentioned here. So here you can see 625k x less supply than Bitcoin, and here you can see all the numbers are mentioned here. Less supply than Ethereum, less supply than Avalanche, less than Doge, less than Pulse, less than Peep, and less than Ship. So you can see the total supply mentioned on this page, and choose the blockchain below and mint your token. You can choose any blockchain. Here you can see there are multiple blockchains. Arbitrum, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Phantom, Optimism, Polygon, and Pulse Chain. You can select any of them and you can mint easily. So I select the Ethereum. It will redirect to the page of Minerium32/Arbitrum. So you have to connect your wallet. After connecting your wallet, you will be able to mint so you can see token space Arbitrum. So here you can see this is the contract address, and the symbol is M2 and decimal 18, and total max supply is 32. All great cryptocurrencies have something in common. They aim to contain their supply. Minerium 32 goes straight to the point. Only 32 tokens and no more. So if you scroll down, you can see the detail, and here you can see you just have to enter the unit of quantity. Let's suppose I will select 50. I have to click on mint. So I must have an Arbitrum. So let me show you all blockchains. So here you can see there are multiple blockchains. Let's suppose I will go with Binance Smart Chain. After selecting Binance Smart Chain, it will redirect you to Binance Smart Chain page. I am back with on the mobile screen. So I just opened the MetaMask. So I am on the MetaMask dApp browser. So here you can see I just entered the Minerium32.com on the dApp browser. So here you can see. Now let me show you how you can do this. So the rarest token in the cryptocurrency world on 32 token supply. So let's go to the let's suppose I will go on Binance Smart Chain. I will select Binance Smart Chain. So after selecting Binance Smart Chain, it will redirect me to the another web page. So it says to connect my address to this Binance Smart Chain. I will click on connect. So here you can see after connecting there is no error here. So my total balance and everything is mentioned on this page. So this is how it works. So I just have to enter the quantity. After entering my quantity, I just have to click on mint. When I click on mint, it will say for the confirmation, and here you can see after some confirmation I just have to click on confirm. After clicking confirm, all the Ethereum is mine. So let me show you another. So let's go to the Ethereum. So if you go to Ethereum, it will redirect the Ethereum address. So the contract address is also mentioned here, and M3218 and decimal, everything is available on this page. So let me show you how you can mint that. So first of all, you have to change the network from the main page. So my wallet is on Binance Smart Chain. I will have to change to the Ethereum. So I have to change an Ethereum. I will go to Ethereum and click on got it. After changing to Ethereum, let's go to the dApp again. So let me reload this page. I will select the Ethereum. So here you can see after selecting Ethereum, so my address is connected now. So here you can see I have 0 Ethereum in my balance. So same as it is, I just have to enter the amount. After entering my amount, I just have to click on mint. When I click on mint, the quantity 60 will be minted. If just I have to enter the gas fee. So you must have the gas fee in your account. So same as it is, you can select any of a coin if you want to mint to that coin. So first of all, you just have to select the same networks you are going to mint. So you can also add network. So you can see there are multiple networks. Let's suppose I will select the Optimism. I will select the Optimism, add and approve, and click on switch network. And now I will go to the dApp browser again. So click on dApp browser, and now I will select the Optimism from here. Select Optimism. After select Optimism, the address, the page will be reloaded. And after the reloading the page, it will automatically connected to your wallet. So here you can see the contract address is mentioned here. You can see the contract address symbol is M32, and the token supply is 32, and available to mint is 31. So I just have to select the amount. First of let's suppose I will select 30 and click on mint. When I select mint, it will say for the small amount of gas fee, and here you can see there is a gas fee. So I'm just showing that I will after finalizing the video, I will buy the bulk quantity. So there are multiple there are rarest token of the So I will click on add network, and here you can see now I will show you the Arbitrum. Click on Arbitrum, add, click on approve, select switch the network. Now go to web browser. I will select the Arbitrum. So let's go to the web browser, and I will select now Arbitrum. After selecting Arbitrum, the contact address will be changed. Let me show you. So here you can see the contact address is changed. Now you can see the same as it is. Everything is same. So you can change the network and see. So here you can see there are multiple tokens. Let me repeat again: Arbitrum, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Phantom, Optimism, Polygon, Pulse Chain, and the homepage. All the coins, you just have to select the network on the MetaMask or any wallet you are using. Just switch the network and then go to this page, select the required blockchain, and you can mint as much as you want. So if you are going to BTC, there is a small change in BTC. So if you the BTC, select the BTC. So you can see for the Bitcoin chain there are two different BRC tokens, M32 and M32, M32 and M32 0. So see the below specification. So you can see BRC20 and $M32 token buy now and start. So the symbol is $M32, and if BRC20 M320 token mint now start is symbol is M320 and supply is 320. So to mint buy M32 or M320 BRC20, you should use Bitcoin ordinal wallets, for example Unisat.io. Go to Unisat.io, install the extension, create Unisat wallet if you don't have. Once load your Unisat BTC address and then some BTC to your gas fees, you can bridge from other chain to blockchain with bridges such as swap.transit.finance. So to mint of $M32 is over. However, they are available in the marketplace. You just have to go to marketplace from this link, and BRC20 M32 token, M320 token, go to this address in Crazyble and click on the button mint directly. Complete tick M320 and amount is 1. You can repeat the process as much as you want. So to buy, go to this link of marketplace and check the available inscription. So this is how it works. You can also switch to dark or switch to light. This is how it works. So let's go to the home page. Here you can see this is the home page. So after going to home page, you can see there is a Twitter, Telegram, and forum community. So I will show. I already shown you Twitter, Telegram. So you can see that this is the forum community. If you go to the community forum, you will see Bitcoin Talk.original. So here you can see Minerium launched a multi-chain token with 32 supplies tokens. So you can just click on it and you can read more. So everything is available on this page. Let's go back. Here you can see the future of smart contract mining stats here. Minerium is the first self-mining smart contract token. Coins are generated and or on the fly with mathematical formula. So if you want to contact them, you just have to select on the bottom of screen. You just have to select contact and click on allow. Fine. So for Bitcoin chain, there are two different BRC20 token and M32 and M320. So here you can see this is a Unisat IO market. So here you can see you can buy from here also M32 token. And the other page is a Unisat wallet. So you just have to download this wallet and install on your browser. And this is the swap.transit.finance. You can also see here. You just have to select any wallet. So Unisat wallet, it says to Unisat wallet is not installed. I just have to install the wallet. I will click on download it, and after downloading I will go to the extension of Chrome. I will install in the Chrome extension, and here you can see this is a Chrome web store. The wallet is here. I just have to set up the wallet. After installing this wallet, after setting up the wallet, I just show you the procedure as mentioned here. You just have to follow this procedure to mint the NFT. I will just create the wallet. So here you can see I just set up the wallet. So you just have to send the BTCs for the gas fees. You just have to receive, and here you can see this is the contact the address, and send some BTCs to here, and then you can proceed the same method mentioned here. So you can also just here go to there, and I just have to click on connect again. So here you can see my address is connected, and you just have to see the details, and you can mint this M32 token, and same as it is for this. You can also change from the information. So you can see this is the Bitcoin alternative currency announcements, and this is the token Minerium multi-chain self mining on Minerium 32, and you can read all the detailed announcement. We would like to introduced Minerium 32, a mineable multi-chain token limited to 32 token supply. Everyone is welcome to mint. So here you can see this is the website. All the cryptocurrencies have something in common. They aim to contain their supply. Minerium 32 goes straight to the point. Only 32 tokens, no more. And Minerium 32 multi-chain. Everyone can mint the token on each chain. So here you can see all the chains are available. All the links in the description. You can mint easily. And I will add all the major links in the video description. So let's go to the social media accounts. Let me explain the social media accounts. So let's go to the Telegram channel. So here you can see Telegram/Minerium token. So here you can see Minerium token. Careful with scammer. We don't never DM. So they never DM. So just go to the Telegram channel, and here you can see I will click on join the group. So join the group so you don't miss any major updates. And here you can see this is the Minerium32.com mint available on multiple chains. And here you can see this is the GIF. Let me show you the GIF. Here you can see this is the GIF image. So you can see all the details about Minerium, and here you can see everything is mentioned on here available here. So let's go back and let's go to the Twitter channel. So twitter.com/Minerium token. So you can see this is the official Twitter account of Minerium 32. So here you can see Minerium multi-chain token 32 supply self-mining token. And here you can see we would like to introduce Minerium 32, a mintable multi-chain token limited to 32 token supply, making it one of the rarest tokens in the cryptocurrency world. Everyone have welcome. So you can here you can see there are steps to mint the token. So free mint limit wallet is 1 M32. Step 1, create a wallet on Unisat. Load BTC to gas fees. Mint M32 token at this link. So we are back on homepage. Now let me show you the I already mentioned the Twitter account, Telegram community, Twitter community, and now let's go to the forum community. Let me show you the forum community. So this is the bitcointalk.org. So here you can see this is the Minerium. Everything is mentioned on this detail. The future of smart contract mining starts here. Minerium is the first ever self-mining smart contract token. Coins are generated on the fly with mathematical formula. Minerium was launched back in 2017 as an airdrop. The Genesis address airdrop occurred between April 14, 2017 on this time, and Genesis address was generated, and 4,268 Genesis addresses were generated between December 2019 and 20. There was a new Genesis address airdrop during this airdrop. 1.1 million Genesis addresses was generated. Minerium V2 was publicly launched on the April 11, and the new smart contract is mentioned here. There was no ICO from Minerium, and Minerium was launched on the Binance Smart Chain MNEB, and all the details on this link. So you can see there are multiple articles available here, so you can read multiple articles from here. So this is how it works. You can also contact them from this link, and let's go to the main page. And if you scroll down, you can see the contact us link. You just have to click on contact us, and there is an email address. You can send the email address. So you can see the mail to is admin@mineriumtoken.com. So thanks for watching the video. Minerium 32 is the rarest token in cryptocurrency world on the 32 token supply. So don't waste the opportunity. Don't waste your time. Just go and buy it. So thanks for watching the video.